If you are wondering if you can recover deleted messages and conversations on the Xiaomi 17T and 17T Pro, then the answer is partially yes. So if we go to Google Messages, and if you try to remove a whole chat, so let's say I'm going to select this one and I'm going to tap on this trash, then as you can see, we have the option to move that selected chat to trash. This means that we will have 30 days to recover the deleted conversation. Unless, of course, we don't do anything with it, then after 30 days, it is just permanently removed. But technically, it is possible to recover that. And in order to find it, we can go to our Google account in the upper right corner, then we can go to trash, and then in here we have all deleted conversations. So you can, for example, select whatever you want to recover, and then you can use this clock icon with an arrow. And then the selected conversation is recovered. Unfortunately, if you decide to remove individual message or messages, then in that case we have this information that this action cannot be undone. So if you delete a message like that, it is permanent and it is not possible to recover it. Perhaps in the future there is going to be an update for the Google Messages app where we will have the option to recover deleted messages, even if they are like individual messages. Previously, it was not possible to recover chats or conversations at all, but some time ago it was actually added, so now we have the option to recover them. Messages still cannot be recovered, so maybe in the future there is going to be a way to actually do that, but right now it is not possible to recover messages. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.